Hi, I'm Bowtie Dave. So this is our very first artichoke. I almost let it grow just to see the flower. A green globe artichoke, by the way. But we decided that we're going to go ahead and kind of dissect this at this stage. And I know it's not a very big one. It's probably not much edible. I'm hoping there's maybe at least one piece of heart in there we can try. Mrs. Bowtie is actually sitting just off camera over there. Bowtie David here, of course. And anyway, so I don't know what all the black stuff is. I thought that was kind of weird. I'd never seen that before. I don't know if that is because of watering wrong, or I didn't know, maybe it was a pest, but I don't see any pests in here at all. So, you can give me my glasses right there. Sure. So I can see better. So anyway, I didn't know if this was going to be anything interesting or not. Like I said, we've never done artichokes before. This is really, so that's a good one. Ooh, ouch. I tried to bite it. It's very hard. Okay, so I'm just kind of peeling back the layers, getting down to the heart. Okay, so now there's some more of that dark down in the middle here. So, oh, there is stuff. Oh, the middle. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm going to peel this hard stuff off. We're getting into the softer middle. I've never done this before, so I don't know what to expect.
That looks pretty good.
It does look good. Yeah.
Doesn't taste good?
Well, it's paper, like chewing paper.
Okay.
Ew, no.
Okay. No?
No. It's still like, it's more chewable, but it's still like, oh, here we go. I'm getting down to, oh, what is this? This is the flower itself. Okay, so I realized, ooh, yuck, that's not great. Well,
Fail?
yeah, it's a fail for edibility, but I just thought it was interesting. This will apparently develop into purple colors. I think these things are, the picture on the seed cover shows these purple. But anyway, just a dissection of our first one. I took it off because it was kind of small and wimpy, and I want the plant to focus more on its next production, which should be bigger and more robust, I hope. But this feels like a carpet. Feel that. Feels like a,
Oh, interesting.
like AstroTurf.
Actually, it feels like short cat hair.
Oh yeah, it feels like short cat hair, absolutely. Yeah, that's weird. Anyway, thought that might be of interest. But we're gonna learn about artichokes eventually. First, by dissection of a artichoke. So anyway, thank you for following along today. For those of you who have subscribed to Bowtie Life on YouTube, you are my heroes. You've helped make Bowtie Life what it is today. We are working on growing our channel to the next level, and when we get there, we will be able to do so much more. For those of you just finding Bowtie Life, this is my own personal journal of everything going on with I have a ADD diagnosis, and with my ADD brain, I've tried journaling, I've tried apps, I've tried photography. These videos really speak to me the best. So be sure to subscribe to Bowtie Life on YouTube so you don't miss a thing. And of course, another way you can help grow the channel is to click thumbs up on this video, share it on your social media, and comment below if you've had artichokes growing and have any thoughts on my, I don't know if it's a fail. It was a more educational experience than anything else. So have a blessed day.